Before the opening bell, U.S. indices joined the global rally on Wednesday, fueled by positive economic news out of China and Hong Kong's decision to withdraw its extradition bill. Crude oil gaining the most since June after the U.S. announced plans for further sanctions on Iran and comments from Russia regarding production cuts. The best performing stocks were in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, automobiles and components, and consumer durables and apparel sectors. This all as 92% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Palo Alto Networks reporting fourth quarter EPS of $1.47 versus $1.28 year ago. In other news, the company announcing an agreement to acquire Zingbox, an IoT security company, for $75 million. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly up today. The Nikkei rising 2.12%, the Hang Seng down 0.03%, China CSI 300 up 1.01%, South Korea's Kospi up 0.82%. European markets rallying and futures call for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Lululemon Athletica, while on the economic docket 8:15 in the morning, we have August ADP employment change figures, 8:30 non-farm payroll productivity for the second quarter, as well as initial and continuing jobless claims figures. 9:45 sees market services PMI and composite PMI reads. 10 o'clock in the morning, ISM non-manufacturing PMI and July factory orders. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 2946. The Nasdaq sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 7747 are favored, with targets at 7839 and 7889 extension, or the Dow Jones that sees a bullish bias above 26,440.